Here is a Changhong split type air conditioner, 2-ton with remote. I cannot use the original one, so I have to bring it. And this is the meeting room. It's not in use anymore, so try to close the door. We have to try to switch the air conditioner on. That's more better. Okay, try to switch with this original remote. Oh, it's 20 degrees. The swing is broken. Yeah, the swing is broken. I prefer not to open the swing. It's too bad for this. Come on. The beep is medium, so we need to go to the other side. Oh, it's opened. It's already opened. So this is one of the air conditioner, guys. The condenser is now turned on, so make a full fan speed. Here's this fan speed. Come on. Okay, let's go back to 20. Okay, we switch off back this air conditioner. Put back to this remote. This is in the meeting room. So thanks for watching, guys.